Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can organize Canva with folders. So if you're drowning in Canva chaos, let me show you how you can organize all your designs like a pro using folders, perfect for creators, marketers, and busy entrepreneurs. So why you need folders in Canva? It saves time during client projects and it keeps your brand assets clean and sorted. And it's also ideal for marketing campaigns, reels, and social posts. And it will prevent losing track of your design. So how to create a folder in Canva? You can just go to the Canva homepage like this. And then you can click on projects here on the left side menu. Then here you can name it based on the category such as Instagram post, YouTube video, or others. Here you can just click on add new to make the folder. So how you can move designs into folders, you can just go to the options, all your designs, this one. And in here, you can select multiple projects or files by clicking on this check at the top, like this. And then you can just click on move to folder or this folder icon here at the bottom. I'm going to just use these two, click on it. And here you can go to your projects. And here you can also create new one. From here, for example, I'm going to choose YouTube thumbnail. Click on this one, move the new folder. Then you can also organize shared content. So you share folders with team members. You can use it also for client approvals by going to the folders in here. You can just, for example, I'm going to just go right click on it. You can click on share and share it with the clients. You can also use folder to keep logos, brand kits, templates all in one shared folder like this. You can also color code thumbnails using background shades or create folders inside folders. So when I open this one, you can also create another folder inside. So now your Canva dashboard is clean, sorted, and ready to scale. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.